Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about online PDF editor. And in this video, I will show you how to add clickable hyperlink to your PDF in online for free without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser. In this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. Then after you open up your browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you visit this particular website right here, docsfly.com. You can see the website URL right here, docsfly.com. On getting to the site, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and upload your PDF. So for that, go ahead and click to upload file. So I'm going to use this particular PDF file right here. Hit on open. Now the file has successfully uploaded to the site. Next thing we want to do is to come to the sidebar right here, click on these three dots, and go ahead and navigate to edit. So once your PDF file load on the site, next thing you want to do is to navigate to the top right here where you have link. Go ahead and click on link. So once you click on link, then you have to make sure you come to color right here. Go ahead and click on color, choose whatever color of your choice. Then you can click on here now and choose one right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for where you want to draw the shape. So I'm going to drag and drop the shape right here. Once I drag and draw the shape, you can see the options to enter the link right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and copy and paste our URL link in right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and come to this particular web page right here. I like the address, Ctrl+C to copy the address. Then I have to come back to the Docsfly, and I'll go ahead and paste the link right here. So after you paste the link, then next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure we check on this. So external, internal. So we want to make sure we click on link to external URL right here. So you can see next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and enter. So having paste the link right here, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on text. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Then we can enter text right here and say click here. Just like so. Then we can go ahead and click on this check mark to accept. So here we can easily adjust our text right here. So next thing we want to do is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on here to export. We can download the file, we can print it, we can export to Dropbox, we can export to our Google Drive. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and click on download right here. Click on download file. So the file is ready right here. Click on OK. So file has successfully saved. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on the document right here. So here we go. We have the file right here. By the time I click here right here, so it's going to load, and let's see. Just like so, you can see the page has successfully loaded up without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about PDF editor, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.